So this is the box that I have. It's huge. Huge box.
We ain't partying for nothing. DJ got us all in here jumping. No holding up the wall.
What's going on, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel, Color Me Jassy. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, and I'm going to be coming with a lot of different videos for you guys. So I felt like to come back from such a long absence, I needed to come back with something good. So I ordered this item from a company called We Bargain. Disclaimer: I paid for this with my own coin. So I was scrolling through TikTok at night and I saw this product and I was like, this looks interesting. If I can find the video, I'll insert it so you guys can see.
I just got an Amazon mystery box. It finally came. I have no clue what's inside. It was $150 and basically they promise that it's like $400 worth of product, and if you don't like it, you just resell it.
The video was showing all these products that you can get from this company called We Bargain. So I ordered it off of a whim. Didn't know what to really expect. The box that I ordered was originally $125, but I had a coupon that brought it down to $112.50, and the shipping was free. The items are Target returns, so it's a Target return wholesale box. With this order, before I even get into opening the box, I just want to talk about my experience really quick, because like I said, I paid for it with my own money. Therefore, this is not like an influencer review or anything like that. This is a regular person review. So I ordered it, I think it was before March 18th, but I noticed that I didn't hear back from them when I sent the order. So when I sent the order, I don't know if I got the confirmation the same day or the next day, but it wasn't too long after I had submitted my order that I received an email stating that my order was going to be on the way. I got this email on March 18th. I started reaching out to them because I'm realizing that they never sent out the product. They responded back to let me know that, they apologized, and that I guess the way they are set up, they create the labels first and then they go ahead and ship it out. That process took forever. I ended up reaching out again, asking to just have them refund me for the product, because I'm like, this is ridiculous. This is taking so long. We were already a month past the date that I ordered this box, and I'm still waiting. And I'm like, okay, so when am I gonna get this box? When is it gonna come in? So finally, I got an email on the 8th of April saying that it was gonna be shipped out next Friday. They're like, hopefully we can get them shipped out by next Friday. So that's that. And then I got an email within the last few days saying that my estimated delivery was April 19th. So yeah, I didn't end up receiving the product until April 20th. So all this is to say, if you are in a rush and you need this item ASAP, it's gonna take a long time to get to you. I will say they were responsive, so I can't say nothing negative on that end. And they ended up giving me a number to call that I didn't end up calling, because once I was gonna call, I got the email saying that it would come to me by the April 18th date or whatever date I had said. I got the email saying I was gonna get it, so I didn't see a point of calling anymore. So I was like, all right, let me give them a chance to send this thing to me. And if I don't end up getting it, then I'm gonna call. So here I am with this huge box. I want to show you guys what this box looks like. So this is the box that I have from We Bargain. It's huge box. I haven't opened it yet, so we are literally gonna open it right now on camera. You guys are gonna get my real reactions and everything. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. So yeah, let's open it. Okay. I'm gonna start off by saying this box already looks crazy, and I already see things I'm gonna have to throw out. So first, oh, this is not bad. First, I have this baby wrap. This doesn't even look like it was open, so this is cool. It's brand new. So I don't know if I have anyone that is having a baby, but if not, I'll figure out a way to sell it. This one, I don't even know what this is. It doesn't have any packaging or anything. It's kind of stained. Oh, okay. I found something. Is this like a blanket? Kind of thick. It feels like a blanket, but it looks like it could be a curtain. Looks like a curtain. I think it's a curtain. Well, yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this, but it's pretty long. If y'all know what this is, let me know. I'm probably going to look it up, but I have a strong feeling that this is a curtain. Oh my gosh. This is a picture frame, but it has like a little crack at the bottom. Hold on, you guys can see. So I'm sure that's why it was returned, but don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Oh, it has some cracks on the side too. I don't know if you guys, there you go. You can see it on the sides. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm guessing this is another curtain. Yeah, this looks like another curtain. I actually like this. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with it. It's kind of big, but I'm gonna probably do like a DIY with this. This is pretty though. I like this pattern. These are brand new. They're shoes for babies. Let me get closer for you guys to see. They're shoes for babies. I don't know if you guys can see. My light is a little bright. Okay. Brand new. Doesn't look like it was ever worn or anything. So this was pretty decent. So yeah, these are kids' shoes. I'm sure I can sell or gift them. Do something with them. This is another thing for babies. It's to wash their hair. This looks completely brand new. It doesn't look like it was touched at all. So this probably was just brought back. Maybe someone didn't need it anymore. But this is cool. Damn, too bad I don't have kids. A lot of kid stuff in here. So this, I don't know what this is. It says Munchkin, do not boil, microwave, or steam, sterilize. Something tells me this is like for snacks. Oh, yeah. 1 pack splash cups blue. So these are like brand new. So this is a mug. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Brand new mug. So doesn't look like it has any damage really. All right, what else we got in here? We're gonna have a lot of stuff. It's a long video. It's a big box. Okay, this is the top of a, I don't think this is the full curtain, but this looks like it was a blackout curtain rod, but I don't know if this is the full curtain. It looks very flat. The thing that sucks is if I open it, I'm not gonna be able to get it back in. But I'm gonna have to open it to double check. We can do this right now. Because if I want to sell it, then it looks like it might be just the panel, I think it's called. Oh, the valance. So this is just the top. I can see why someone would return this. Because they thought they were getting the whole thing, and it was just the valance. That thing on the top. This is pretty though. This is a pretty color. I might end up keeping this depending. So we have Easter eggs. That kind of sucks because who's gonna buy Easter eggs this time of year? Oh, this dishcloths. I can see me keeping these. These are some dishcloths. You guys see? They're brand new. Doesn't look like anyone's ever used them or anything. They're brand spanking new. Bar mop dishcloth. Oh, and it comes with 2. So this is a good find. We have some shoes in here. There's shoes are a size 7.5, so they won't fit me. But they look brand spanking new. So I'll definitely be selling this. If you guys don't have Poshmark, sign up for Poshmark. I'll put a code in the link. Definitely going to be selling these on Poshmark. They look brand new. They have tags and everything, so definitely going to be doing that. Here's another one. Jack and the Cat. They're kid shoes, really small, size 1, 2 in here, obviously. But yeah, I feel like if I had kids, this would have been like a really good box to have. I found this in my, I found this inside the box. It says, "We bargain April unboxing." Paid for it with my own money. Okay. These look like sheets. Yes, they are. 2 king pillowcases. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say this is for a king size bed. I'm going to assume that it's brand new because I don't know how you would be able to put this together. It doesn't smell like anything. So I'm guessing it might have gotten discontinued or maybe it didn't sell. It is really soft though. It is really soft. So I don't know. Probably give this to, if I can't find anyone to give it to, I'll probably sell it to. Then we have these shoes right here. They're in a size 9. They look brand new, never touched, never worn. They look like they're in really good condition. If I wore a size 9, then I definitely keep these. My cousin is a size 9, so maybe I'll see if she likes them. If not, I'll be selling these on Poshmark. I don't even want to take this out. It's like a kid toy. It's like a really big kid toy that's in here. And that's it, guys. I don't know why I thought there'd be way more items in this box, but overall, I will say that I had a good amount of like product in the box, and some of them were completely new, as you can see, still with the tags on and everything, and then other things were like missing packaging, mostly things were like curtain related. So the question is, would I do this again? I think it depends on how well I can actually get rid of these items and resell them. If I feel like I'm able to get my value for, like, if I'm able to make a profit from this, then I'll probably try it again. But if not, I probably won't. I will say that I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I think after the fact that it took so long to get to me, I was expecting it to not be anything impressive. I was like excited but nervous because I'm like, it just took so long. Like, it's probably gonna be crappy stuff and it's not gonna look good. Or I was pleasantly surprised by the items that I received. I don't see anything that I could possibly keep for myself, but that wasn't necessarily the intention. I just wanted to see what this thing was about and see if I could resell those things and make a profit. So yeah, that's my review. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys ever thought of ordering from We Bargain. If you have, what was your experience? Let me know. So overall, how I feel about We Bargain is that the products aren't bad. They're in really good condition. They look practically new, most of them. I feel like a good chunk of them look new. Maybe like 2 or 3 don't, but all the other ones look brand new. So in total, I believe I have like 16 items here. Majority of the items I feel like are brand new. Like, they don't look like they were used or anything like that. They still have tags on them and everything. So they're in really good condition. Some of the reviews that I feel like I've seen and read about, they weren't good. So I was kind of nervous. And like the influencer obviously got really, really good stuff. So I was just like, oh, okay, let's see what I can end up with these returns. Because she definitely got things that would resell for almost the value of the box itself. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I plan to come with more reviews. I do have some more ideas for hair videos, but because my hair's in a protective style and it's going to be in one for a while, but I plan to put a collage together, a montage of my hair journey. So we're not going to talk about that in this video, but just know more things are coming, more reviews are coming for different types of products, clothing, beauty, maybe even something like this. Yeah, I'm excited to come with more reviews for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We ain't partying for nothing.